10 unique latch hook rug patterns for modern homes. Welcome to exploring 10 unique latch hook rug patterns that perfectly complement modern homes. These contemporary designs combine the traditional craft of latch hooking with updated aesthetics, offering a versatile and stylish way to enhance your living spaces. From bold geometric shapes to nature-inspired motifs, these modern patterns showcase the endless possibilities of this timeless art form. Section 1. Geometric Patterns. Geometric patterns have been used in latch hook rugs for generations, captivating rug makers. These patterns, characterized by their precision and symmetry, create visually striking pieces that add a touch of sophistication to any room. With many options available, from simple lines and shapes to intricate designs, geometric latch hook rug patterns offer endless possibilities for creating unique and contemporary pieces. Section 2. Nature-inspired designs. Nature-inspired designs bring a sense of tranquility and harmony into our living spaces. Drawing inspiration from the beauty of natural landscapes and organic forms, these patterns evoke a connection with the environment. By incorporating floral, fauna, and landscape elements into latch hook rug patterns, we can create a serene atmosphere that invites us to appreciate the wonders of the natural world. Section 3. Abstract artwork. Abstract artwork inspired by flora, fauna, and landscapes adds a unique artistic flair to modern homes. Using bold colors and unconventional forms, artists can create mesmerizing compositions that invite us to explore nature's beauty and complexities. This fusion of abstract and natural elements offers a fresh perspective on traditional art forms, allowing for endless creative possibilities. Section 4. Minimalist patterns. Minimalist patterns offer a refreshing take on traditional latch hook rug designs. They use simplicity and elegance to create a striking visual impact. By focusing on essential elements such as clean lines and geometric shapes, these patterns can serve as a canvas for experimentation with different textures and materials. Minimalist designs are perfect for modern interiors, adding a subtle touch of sophistication to any room. Section 5. Pop culture references. To add a touch of pop culture to a modern home, consider incorporating latch hook rug patterns inspired by icons, logos, and characters. These designs uniquely infuse personality and nostalgia into your living spaces while maintaining a sleek and contemporary aesthetic. Section 6. Textured patterns. Textured patterns bring depth and dimension to icons, logos, and characters, creating a sense of familiarity and comfort while adding a modern twist. By integrating latch hook rug patterns into these designs, artists can create visual interest and evoke a tactile sensation that resonates with the audience. In conclusion, latch hook rug patterns offer versatile decor options for modern homes, showcasing the timeless appeal of this traditional craft. With a wide range of styles and designs available, from bold geometric shapes to nature-inspired motifs, these patterns provide endless opportunities to personalize and enhance your living spaces. Embrace the fusion of traditional craftsmanship with contemporary aesthetics to create stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces that elevate the style of any room.